Hey, good day, folks. Another S Group daily review video, video number 131. And today's Sunday. We got our earnings on Friday. I didn't do a video on that, so we earned 0.31% on Friday. So my two investments that I've running, adding these two figures together, gives me a 64.84, and that's how much I earned on Friday. So as you see, guys, go to my investment page here. You will see now I'm up to $208.20 on the money I've invested. So I'm well over 26,000 here, guys. Also had some commissions that came in. If you noticed on the finance page here, I'm gonna go down. Yes, I made right here, guys, 24.29. Some commission came in from another user who invested. He's like two levels below me, so I made 1.5% on the money he invested. So yeah, I think he put in like about $2,000 or something like that, 2,003 or $400. Yeah, I made 1.5% on that, so that came in. That got added to the top right. So the money I have at the top right here, I'm just going to take this couple weeks, take it out, and pay bills and do what I need to do with it. So that's why I left it up here, guys. But my investments, they are running. Um, so as you see, they're 4 days in. So once this gets to 28 days, and like I did in the last video, I'm going to combine these two. The earnings will go to the top right, which is up here, and then I'll have access to them. And I'm going to take like maybe somewhere between $500 to $1,000, reinvest it back in. So I keep growing the principal, which is this amount right here, guys. It's 26,000. So I want it to keep growing. I might actually just take maybe the whole entire amount. Like I'm looking somewhere. I usually make about 1,500 to 2,000 a month. So whatever that figure is, I might just reinvest the entire thing, get to 27,500 and whatever. That'll be pretty sweet. I want to get to basically to 30,000. That's kind of my goal. Because once you get to 30,000, you're basically making $100 a day, guys. Like you're averaging $100 a day, let's say, over say a month or 2 weeks or whatever. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know how I'm doing here. I did have some people email me. See, an email just came in here from a user been communicating with. They just signed up underneath my team. They want to learn how to get their account funded. So I'll definitely walk you through that, guys. If you're looking at this video and you want to get going with S Group, it's a great way to make passive income. Like I said, you can take a look at my all-time income. I've made over $24,000 in here. Most of the money I did take and reinvest back in. Some I took out. So, but just think, guys, I'm 4 days in, and I made $208.20. So just think, if you had your money in the bank for 4 days, do you think you're going to make $200 in 4 days just having your money in there? Probably not. Actually, I can guarantee you won't. So it's definitely a great way to make some passive income. You have your money in here, and you just let the system work itself. Basically, it's passive income. So if you're looking to make some passive income for yourself, guys, this is definitely the way to go. This is all in U.S. funds, so for me, it's actually more money because the U.S. Currency is worth a lot more than Canadian currency up here in Canada. So we actually get more money. So yeah, whatever country you're in, just recognize that this is in U.S. currency. So if you're in a country that where the U.S. currency is worth a lot more than your local country's currency, you'll definitely make more money in the system as a result of that. So I want to make this 5-minute daily review video, guys, just to get you guys aware of S Group, how I'm doing. I was looking at a video I did, actually my first video from a year ago, which was I think May 9th. As you see now, it's April 23rd, so it's almost a year ago. So I was at this number right here, guys, was at $12,000. So I went from $12,000 to $26,000 in 1 year. So, and it's just going to keep compounding and snowballing. So if you're looking to get signed up, there is a sign up link down below in the description of this video. That way you can sign up with S Group underneath me. You have to be sponsored in, so that's how it works. So join my team and shoot me an email. Let me know that you joined, and I'll walk you through everything, explain all the details. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below so you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. You can be aware of all the updates and announcements and everything. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know about this. That ends my 5-minute daily review video. I'll see you guys in the next one.